Conquering time in English. Master. When, in relative clauses. Hello language explorers. Today we're going to dive deep into the world of intermediate English grammar, specifically focusing on defining relative clauses. Our spotlight is on the usage of when with time-related nouns. So, if you're ready to become a master of time in English, let's get started. A defining relative clause is used to provide necessary information about the noun it refers to. It is also known as a restrictive or identifying clause because it restricts or identifies the noun. For instance, the girl who is wearing a blue dress is my sister. Here, who is wearing a blue dress is a defining relative clause. When we talk about time-related nouns, we often use when in defining relative clauses. When is a relative adverb that introduces a relative clause, making it easy to talk about specific moments in time. It is used to refer to a time when something happened or will happen. For example, I remember the day when we first met. Here are some examples to better understand the usage of when with time-related nouns. 1. Do you remember the year when we went to Disneyland? 2. The night when I saw the meteor shower was unforgettable. 3. Sunday is the day when I do most of my shopping. In each of these sentences, when is used with time-related nouns, year, night, day, to specify a moment or duration. Now, let's practice what we've learned. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with suitable clauses. 1. Blank was the moment when I decided to start learning English. 2. Remember the summer when blank. 3. We need to decide the day when blank. Try to make your own sentences too using when with different time-related nouns. That brings us to the end of our lesson on using when in defining relative clauses with time-related nouns. Keep practicing to gain confidence and fluency in your English language journey. Remember, time waits for no one, but with when, you can certainly talk about it. Stay tuned for more exciting grammar adventures. Until then, happy learning!